Hi, I am Kal-Ezekiel Yanga, and today we will solve a topic about the equation of a curve in the subject calculus. But before we proceed to the topic, my mother ordered me to first do my household chores. The first one is to sweep the floor, the second one is to feed the dogs, and the last one is to wash the dishes. So before we proceed to the tutorial, let me first do my household chores fast. Wait. Woo! So at last, I'm done with my household chores. Now we will proceed to making the tutorial. Let's go. Now let's proceed to the tutorial. The given problem about equation of the curve is that we have to find the slope and the concavity of the curve. Y is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 2 plus 3x minus 1 at the point where x equals 2. We have to find the equation of the tangent line at that point. So there are three things that we have to look for this problem. The first one is that we have to look for the slope. The second one is the concavity. And the third one is the equation of the tangent line. There are things you have to keep in mind when we are looking for the equation of a curve. We have to remember that the first derivative is the slope. And the second derivative is the concavity. So basically, from the given equation or for the given curve, we have to get its first derivative and its second derivative to get the slope and the concavity. Let's proceed to the next. So the given is y is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 2 plus 3x minus 1 at the point where x equals 2. We have to remember that at the point where x equals 2 because at the end of when we get the equation, we have to substitute 2 to the variable x. We have to find the slope, the concavity, and the equation of the tangent line. So let's first proceed to the slope. For the slope, we have to get the derivative of the given equation. In order to get the derivative of the given equation, we have many ways to get it, but a primary way is for the product rule, where the exponent will be multiplied to the numerical coefficient and the exponent will be subtracted by 1. So for the derivative of y, 4x raised to 3 plus 4x plus 3, and that is the y prime. We have to substitute x to the variable, we have to substitute 2 for the variable x in order to get the exact value of the slope for that equation. So 4 times 2 raised to 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 is equal to 43. And the slope can be stated as m. So m is equal to 43, therefore the slope is 43. For the concavity, we can use the same method as we have done in the slope, but what derivative we will get is from the first derivative in order to get the second derivative. So the first derivative is 4x cubed plus 4x plus 3, and by applying the same rule, which is the power rule, we can get the second derivative, which is 12x squared plus 4, and that is y double prime. We have to substitute 2 to the variable x in order to get the exact value of the concavity of that equation. So 12 times 2 raised to 2 plus 4 is equal to 52. So y double prime is equal to 52, and that is our concavity. For the last thing that we have to look for is the equation of the tangent line. In order to get the equation of the tangent line, we have to apply the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1, which is the point slope form, where y sub 1 is equal to 29, x sub 1 is equal to 2, and m is equal to 43. M is 43, that is our slope. X is equal to 2, that is from the given problem, and y is equal to 29. We got 29 by substituting 2 which is x, to the original equation, which is x raised to 4 plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. When we substitute 2 to the variable x, the answer we will get is 29. So for the tangent line, we simply have to substitute the variables, the missing variables, in order to get the exact equation. So y minus 29 is equal to 43 times x minus 2. Y is equal to 43x minus 86 plus 29. We have to combine like terms to get the exact value. So y is equal to 43x minus 57. For checking it, we can assure that the value of the equation of the tangent line is y is equal to 43x minus 57 by substituting 2 to x, wherein 86 minus 57 is 29, which is the exact value of y as well. Thank you. That's all.